Hey, what's up? Sam here. In this video, as the title suggests, we'll mainly compare the cameras of the Mix 4 and Mi 11 Ultra. Please watch till the end of this video since I finally have what the photo samples directly exported from these two phones, and I can tell you my real experience about the Mix 4. But before that, I'd like to share a little bit more about the Mix 4, which I forgot to mention in my previous videos. The Antutu benchmark and sound test. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, as I'm always the first one to do such proper English hands-on videos of the newest phones that's released in China. So that's the Antutu benchmark. Seems like the Snapdragon 888 Plus did a better job on controlling heat than the 888. At least it will not become too hot and shut down your machine by itself. Now to the camera. First of all, you may still wonder, is the front camera really high well? Well, if you really stare at it closely, I would say you can notice it even from a normal angle in many wallpapers. From this way, I would say Oppo did a better job on hiding the front-facing camera. But since Xiaomi has already brought to its official unit, we cannot complain about that too much. And from our test, whether we watch videos or read ebooks, it looks much better than those phones with notches. It gives us this kind of immersive experience. Now about the photo samples. I've got to be honest with you though, I didn't take these demo phones in the Mi shop out for shooting more samples, or like these big tech reviewers that got the unit before the launch event and have more time to test more in different scenarios. So I just took a few there right in the shop. But one good thing is I can be totally honest with you about the photos. I can say whatever I need to say. Alright, spoilers alert, it's really not as good as you thought. It still needs some work to do, judged from the samples we took. Of course, it's not all bad. If we took photos from those scenarios without backlight, then it looks just like a normal photo. It has good details, the white balance is good, feels maybe a little bit blurry but not very noticeable. What really bums me out is the backlight situation. This one overall looks okay, but if you check the fluorescent lamp part here, you will notice some weird colorful rings. That's obviously due to the diffraction interference. Maybe that's okay. And if you take it in portrait mode, the background will be blurred anyway. This one is not good because it starts becoming blurry on this part. And for these photos, you can see the light penetrates my head directly and lots mosaics here and there. Also, we have distorted white balance. The color of my shirt is not right. Here we compare with the Mi 11 Ultra. That's also a 20 megapixel selfie camera. Here are more samples. By the way, I will post these original photos to my Facebook page, Sam Low Review. You can like my page if you want to see more. For selfie videos, this is it. It's just struggling with backlight situation. The ghost effect, the diffraction makes the video unusable. You can see the Mi 11 Ultra looks way more natural. Comparing the photo, the camera difference between the Mi Mix 4 and Mi 11 Ultra. And I can see from the video, the Mi Mix 4 has, not very good. You can see you see here the ghost and the ghost effect, and also the white balance is not unnatural. It's not natural. Anyway, I will put these two videos here so you can compare. As for the rear camera, we didn't test that much. I would say it lives up to the middle to high range phone's expectation. That's it. Of course, we will test more when we buy the official version of the Mi Mix 4. As the photos we demo here are from the demo machines in the Mi shop, and the software and algorithm are not finalized maybe. So please subscribe if you want to learn more. Please subscribe. Love you guys. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.